Hi, this is Mahmudul Hassan, a logistics and supply chain specialist. Today, I am going to discuss about agile supply chain management. The concept of agile was given by Goldman at 1995. It means readiness to change. From business perspective, agility is defined as a strategy that is more responsiveness in a volatile market where this strategy is totally demand driven. As consumers' buying patterns are changing on a very rapid pace, so does the whole supply chain management changes. The fundamental drivers of agile supply chain are speed, cost, and efficiency. Agile supply chain are based on the sensitivity to customers' demand. Here, sensitivity refers to the ultimate consumer's demand in terms of volatility of demand. Agile supply chain framework is based on four major constituents and that are as follows. Number one, virtual integration. In virtual integration, information is shared among concerned departments for the real demand from market or end consumers. As demand information is gathered, then it is collaborative planning amongst the various concerned departments that how to cater the demand from this particular market, and every demand departments responds according to their capability and capacity to fulfill the demand. Virtually being integrated would result in end-to-end visibility. This is how this would be very easy to identify the bottlenecks in the network and any other problem that creates hindrance in the network. Number two, product process alignment. In process alignment, three things are mainly concerned that are co-managed inventory. In present time, mostly chains are managed through the vendor managed inventory. This is one of the best solution as a co-managed inventory. Collaborative product design by the concerned departments. This is how the team works to shape the consumer need or want. The ultimate result is synchronous supply chain. Number three, network based. Every individual actor in the chain has to put their efforts to make it the success of the chain. This will reduce the burn on individual actors, and the task is divided among the actors as per their core competencies where they are best at. All actors in the chain are orchestras of the chain. Therefore, they equally own the chain and the performance level matters from each end. Number 4, market sensitive. Today's chains are market sensitive where demand is sensed from the market. The demand forecasting is based on the daily point of sale. Sensing demands from past trend is an obsolete way to predict the demand in such a volatile markets. Therefore, daily feedback from market or sales terminal feedback is taken to meet the future demand. In present, companies are focusing on future. Therefore, their efforts to make it from today by executing best practices to capture the emerging trends. The one of the best practice would be to listen your customer. It is said that supply chain is based on the end consumer's feedback. Therefore, voice of customer is the actual demand that derives the supply chain. Now, I am going to discuss about the significance of agile supply chain management in a volatile marketplace. Agile supply chain is not the option available in market, but a necessity for the success of the company. Agile supply chain is the solution to the many problems that exist in today's supply chain management network. This concept has been recognized as a solution to increase the responsiveness of a supply chain in a more managing environment. Today's supply chain compete on various strategies, but the most commonly used one is agile strategy because this strategy anticipates demand fluctuations in a volatile market demands pattern. Also, this solution has facilitated the suppliers to manage their own data through self-service functionality. Lastly, according to Christopher, we are now entering the era of new competition where markets are dynamic and price will go to organizations that can better build structures and do more integration. This solution of agile supply chain management is more information centric rather than inventory centric. Therefore, agile supply chain are need of the hour. Since market and demand patterns are changing on a very rapid pace, then the ultimate strategy would be the option for agile supply chain management. Through this strategy, one can retain the market and also compete with the market. Thanks for joining the session. Have a good day.